Well, Reliance Industries is undoubtedly the biggest gainer today and is very close to its all-time high of 2755 rupees. First, let me start with the news. The board of Reliance Retail has approved a reduction in the equity share capital of Reliance Retail with a consideration of 1362 rupees per share. Now, the other piece of news is that July 20th has been fixed as the record date for the demerger of Jio Financial Services. Let's try and understand the implications of both these pieces of news. Now, Reliance Retail's decision to reduce their non-promoter shareholding is a big positive for Reliance. Remember, brokerages had ascribed a value of 900 to 1,000 rupees a share in their SOTP, while the actual consideration is much higher at 1362 rupees a share. Also, Reliance Retail's buyback is expected to be a precursor to the IPO, the eventual listing of the consumer business, and a part of a larger succession plan. As per Bloomberg's data, Reliance Retail's SOTP expectations ranged anywhere between 850 to 1,000 rupees a share, and this is a big positive. So, these are the brokerages that are up for you on your screen. There's JP Morgan, HDFC Securities, Daulat Capital, etc. Now, brokerages continue to be bullish on the stock. So, since we were talking about JP Morgan, let's get their view on board. They have an overweight with a price target of 2960. They say that the valuations of Reliance Retail at $90 billion are sharply higher than the implied equity value at which the stakes were sold in RRVL way back in 2020. Let's talk about the other piece of news, which is the Jio Financial demerger. The Jio Finance demerger record date has been announced as July 20th, post which the company is likely to list. Now, the strength of Jio Financial Services also lies in the credibility of the people they have hired. Hitesh Sethia, as we know, has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Jio Financial Services. Sethia has a great track record. He has over 2 decades of experience in the financial services space, largely with ICICI Bank, which was where he served his last tenure before joining Jio Financial Services. Let's take a look at some numbers. JFS will be infused with 6% of Reliance Industries treasury shares. This implies that Jio Financial Services will start with a net worth of $13 billion versus Bajaj Finance at $7 billion. Once Jio Financial Services is infused with the 6% Reliance treasury shares, it will be the largest NBFC in India in terms of net worth.